With Tinkerbell flying across the sky, Disneyland launched the first preview of its brand new 2009 summer fireworks show.
Magical is our all-new, spectacular fireworks show that's going to take everybody on a journey. And it's a journey through some of the most magical celebrations in Disney animation.
Some of those celebrations included music from Pinocchio, the songs from Mary Poppins, and a visit by a flying elephant.
So he's going to be up there just flying above the castle. His ears will fly just like he does in the movie. His legs, he kind of has a moment when he wants to take off, his legs will move, and he even gets to say goodbye to everyone with his trunk.
Leading into the finale, there's a fireworks duel between the fairies from Sleeping Beauty.
They even get into a little fight of deciding what the finale should be. Should it be blue? Should it be pink? Should it be blue?
And now, the perfect pink finale. No. Pink. Oh, no. Pink, pink, pink. No. Oh,
Well, we decided that we would go with gold. The most amazing golden fireworks spectacular ending to the show that we've seen.
And like all things at Disneyland, it's a magical happy ending. Mark Eades reporting for OCRegister.com.